Do you want your iPhone to automatically switch to speaker mode during calls? In this video, I'll show you how to enable automatic speaker on iPhone so you don't have to tap the speaker button every time you answer a call. The process is pretty quick and simple, and this will work on any iPhone model and on any iOS version, so you can easily follow the steps. But before we start with the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe for more similar tutorials like this one. The first step is to open the settings on your iPhone, and then go down a bit until you see the accessibility option. That will get us to this page where we need to find this physical and motor section, and we'll tap on this touch option. Now our job is to go all the way down until you can see this call audio routing. Call audio routing on iPhone is a setting that lets you choose where audio is played during phone calls, FaceTime calls, and other audio calls. By default, your iPhone routes call audio to the earpiece, but you can change it to speaker, Bluetooth headset, or hearing devices for a hands-free experience. So just set this to speaker, and then the audio will be played through your iPhone speaker every time you answer a phone call, a FaceTime call, and similar. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.